Samsung has just enraged everyone. Concerning Samsung's next major unpacked event, some alarming information has surfaced. At this point, numerous leaks have pretty much confirmed that Samsung will use the same strategy with the Z Fold 5 as they did with the Fold 4. It's like Apple level bad because we already knew that the Fold 5 will be very similar to the Fold 4 with no changes to the screen or cameras. Thus, high expectations were placed on the new water droplet hinge design, however it only improves over the Fold 4 by 14%, to the point where it is barely apparent. Why not Samsung if Oppo can accomplish this and create a Fold without creases? This revelation, which comes from Samsung employees via Ice Universe, claims that it cannot even be referred to as the Z Fold 4S. However, Samsung is definitely turning the script and making the Z Flip 5 the star of the show, at least for this year, despite how disappointing it is, and they probably know it. With the Flip 5 receiving its biggest design update and having custom-designed Google apps for its outer display in addition to third-party social media apps, the sales of foldable phones in recent years have proven time and time again that Samsung's Flip is always the most-selling foldable phone of the year. Even Samsung is allegedly raising Flip 5 production to more aggressively compete with the iPhone 15 series. I have to admit that I'm actually eager for this phone since, based on what I've read, Samsung has high aspirations for the Flip 5 and the most stunning hardware we've seen on the Galaxy S23 series. We'll undoubtedly have clear answers soon as we see more leaks on the Fold 5, as it appears that this may not be the actual upgrade that we wanted to see compared to the Fold 4. Even Samsung employees aren't satisfied, so that gives us some perspective. The Unpacked event will take place for the first time in South Korea on July 27th. This date has been set. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.